In this lecture, we will discuss the basics of spanning tree protocol. So let us understand what is a spanning tree protocol. It is a protocol used in computer networks to prevent the loops in the network. It works by identification of the most efficient path between the devices within the network and blocking any redundant paths that could potentially create a loop. This ensures that there is always a single path between any two devices in the network, thus preventing loops and ensuring that the network traffic flows efficiently. Now let us understand STP manipulation attack. It is a type of attack that exploits the vulnerabilities in STP protocol to gain unauthorized access to the network or disrupt the network operations. So, how a STP manipulation attack is carried out? In such attack, a fake route bridge is created that appears to be most efficient path for network traffic. The attacker then redirects all the network traffic to the fake route bridge and capture the sensitive information such as username, password and other confidential data. In which attack, the attacker exploits the vulnerabilities in spanning tree protocol to create a fake route bridge and redirect the network traffic. We already discussed this. Your answer should be STP manipulation attack. That's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to access the full CEH course, please do check the link available at the description.